Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we have an unboxing.
Yeah.
Unboxing of what?
I don't know. I still haven't opened it yet.
Alright, okay. So, before we unbox though, I'll tell you the story behind this parcel. But before we unbox, do you have to say something?
Yeah, subscribe, like, and
This chair is so comfortable.
hit that notification bell if you want to know when more content is coming. And if you want, you can share this video, but you don't have to. And also, if you're finding it hard to find all of our video, one specific video, you can just go to our playlist and pick one playlist, and you can just watch it. So let's get.
So
into
each
it.
playlist is separated into a
Yeah.
different category.
Yeah, it's categorized like Minecraft, Blender, or GIMP. Well, no GIMP.
Oh, you do Blender now?
Yeah.
I haven't actually checked. Okay, that's good. That's good. Your baby sister's crying. Anyways, so the story behind this is, so you know what is in the box?
No.
No. Okay. You remember we went to Christchurch.
Yeah.
So in Christchurch, remember I lost something?
Glasses.
Yes. So I lost my sunglasses. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, we went to Christchurch for a visit, and I had my glasses on, and then I was carrying his baby sister, and I had my glasses in my pocket, in my pants pocket, and I don't know, either it fell down, or it got stuck in something, or I left them somewhere,
Or my baby sister.
or somebody just pulled it out. I don't know. Okay.
Yeah.
So either of those reasons. So I needed a new pair of glasses, and I looked around for a lot, and not a lot, but you know, my favorite brand is Ray-Ban. I do have a Ray-Ban pair, Ray-Ban pair of shades. But I wanted something. I actually, my first choice was Ray-Ban, and the second choice was Oakley. I think it's pronounced right, Oakley. Then there was another pair I forgot as well, because I watched this online YouTube videos of different kind of tutorials, and then I came to a conclusion that why not get these ones, and I'll show you what these are. Yes.
Why is it like torn?
Oh, that's how they bring the plastic. Probably they threw it around or something. Anyways, the thing is, Ray-Ban I felt are more fragile. I mean, I'm talking about the aviators. Those are the only ones I like.
What
those
the?
Fragile means if it fell down, it would break. And
No,
it
what
can,
does AV? What are aviators?
aviators? The one I have, the black ones. They look like they're roundish or something. Okay.
Oh, like. Oh.
Yes. So so I wanted to get those ones, but I was afraid that they might break because kind of sports activities and stuff. Plus, in addition, I have to carry your baby sister at times, and she pulls off my glasses every time. So I wanted to get something that was a bit good. I mean, relatively unbreakable. And these are the ones I got. And now remember, these are blind bought.
What does blind?
Blind bought means that I haven't actually checked whether the size is all right or not. So I hope the size is okay. For the cat here. Oh.
Shall.
Now this is the one I'm talking about, the cat. Could you hold her, please?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Anyways, so let's begin with the unboxing. Let's do it quickly, okay? We don't have time. We have to go out. So let's see what is there. I hope these are I mean, good and suitable. How do we open this? So yeah, I got this from Australia. Okay, that's another reason I bought these, because the Oakleys and the Ray-Bans, and there was another brand, I forgot the brand, very famous one nowadays. So they were quite expensive, but for the same price I got two of these. And the second reason I got this is because I used Afterpay. Afterpay is a facility that we use in Australia and New Zealand, where you can pay fortnightly in 4 installments, which is good. Fortnight means 2 weeks.
Oh.
So anyways, here, that's the opening area. Okay, so let's do this. I hope these are good, really good. Okay, I don't want to be returning them and then getting
Wait,
new
I
ones.
thought you go. Oh.
So we got this in there, then we got some paperwork, And then we got some material. Yeah. Bye-bye. So anyways, so what do we have here? Enter our monthly draw, tag and win. Oh, we'll do this. We'll do this. I don't have a lot of optimism about these things, but I will tag them because let's see. I hope they're good. The second one is a thank you card.
Wait, what? What does that say? Oh.
Is this the guy who started this? Enjoy your new purchases. Okay, so there you go. This is what we got. And then we got some. Oh, we got a sticker.
Sticker. Wait, what?
I think it's a sticker. Either it's a sticker or it's for shirt. I think you can apply it on a shirt. It might be that. I used to have this. Could be the shirt.
Yeah,
okay.
It might be a shirt thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
a sticker.
Oh, yeah.
And then you got the receipt. How much did I get it for? Oh yes. So I got it for about $259.90. That's New Zealand dollars, okay? So NZD, 259 NZD. All right. Anyways, bye bye. Happen. Take care. So now we get this open.
Oh no. What is that?
I'm gonna be a little bit faster, okay?
Yeah.
So I got two of these, two different
two.
colors. Yeah, two different colors. This one is the what? I did not buy the black one. I got the blue ones. They sent the wrong ones. I'll tell them. Because I remember I bought the blue. You see? Yeah, there you go. Galaxy blue.
Show me where does it say say black?
I already have the black ones.
What?
Oh, it is blue. Yes, it is blue. So
Oh,
there you
maybe
go.
they put it the wrong one.
So it comes in this kind of box, and then it comes in this kind of pouch. Pouch is always good.
Oh, no.
Anyways, the shades that I lost, I already have a box for this. So I'll just put it in there. I would have hoped they had a box for this.
Yeah.
Oh, these are huge.
Oh my god.
These are huge. Let me see.
Can they do it? I'll put your. They kind of huge. They're like.
How do they look? I don't know. How do they look? Are they okay?
It kind of looks like you're doing a VR game, like the VR.
Oh my goodness. That's not optimistic. Okay, I'm not returning these. Nice, these are good, and these are polarized.
What's polarized mean?
Polarized is a special function. I'm not going to explain that now, but you want to try? There you go.
Wait, what?
Oh my god, you look fantastic. Okay.
Why does it look all pink, even though it's blue?
That's the point. I think it traps the blue light and anyways. So I am kind of satisfied with this one. I think they look good and they look quite sturdy. Okay, I don't think they will hurt my brain. Okay, so these ones are different. Okay, why did I get these? These are the Easy Rider ones. Oh, one of the things is that the ones I got here is the Z87 Vice, and it's blue, Galaxy blue. I don't know why they say Galaxy polarized. So it's blue, and I really hope they would have given a box for this. I'm gonna carry this in a pouch. I put this in my bag. It's gonna be broken.
Yeah.
And anyways, then there's this one. These are the. Oh, there's some cleaning material.
Wait, this is an easy. Oh,
This is Easy Rider. And
why is it black?
It's not black. It's yellow. I wanted something that I could put on for nighttime, and these are the nighttime ones.
Oh my.
So
They look the same. But it's more see-through, so I can see your eyes.
yes, these are for nighttime driving, or maybe during a cloudy day.
Wait, can I see?
You wanna put it on?
Yeah. Oh, they're yellow. Oh, this
you
is
look
so
great.
Bright.
You
This
look
is
great.
so bright.
Look at me here.
Oh, that's green.
Look at me here. And look at the people. All right. Anyways, that's it. Okay. So I think I'm pretty much satisfied with this. Pretty satisfied. I mean, they look good, and they look quite nice.
Yeah.
There was something that I actually saw in there.
Oh, red. What?
How do I take that out?
What? Show me.
Oh, this. What is? Oh, Oh, you actually, yeah. There's one thing. You get actually extra lens with this. This is extra see-through lens. Look at that. Most probably I'm not going to use this. But yes, you get this with this, and then you get a sticker as well again.
What's the sticker?
Yeah, you like stickers, man.
Yeah.
Anyways, so this goes in here, and these are gonna be used. And if they broke, I'll be back with a review. We will be back with a review. What is inside here? Oh, there's another sticker.
Yay!
What do I do with the stickers? Put it on myself?
No, put it on me. I mean, no, put it on something.
Okay, so I have no idea what this is. If this is, if this can be put on a shirt, they don't say. It says high quality films. Graphic. You want to subscribe? Do subscribe. It just help his channel, because this guy's channel. This one's. If you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. We're just making video for fun. Probably. I mean, two reasons. Probably for fun, and then we have some kind of videos that are informative, and this is also kind of informative because I didn't see a lot of videos talking about these shades, and I am, to be honest, I'm pretty much satisfied with this, and they're very comfortable. I was skeptical a bit because there were two sizes. There was a bigger size, and then there was this smaller size, and I was thinking, I measured my head, the temples, quite a few times, and I think I'm satisfied with this.
Yeah.
And thankfully I didn't get the big one. That would look like a VR set on my head. And yeah, this one is really good. Oh man, this is really good. It's so clean.
It's bigger than the one that you got us.
Yeah, I like them. I like them. I think I will rock these very, very well. Anyways,
do subscribe. Oh wait, no, I already said that. Okay.
All right. We'll see you later.
Bye for now.